The second big characteristics that we want to talk about is basically personalization, right? We have personalization across all areas of our lives, and not only through e-commerce. We have that in the health sector, right? The more, as patients, we are interconnected, and we see that through wearables, devices, Internet of Things, we see that through an oximeter on latest Samsung smartphone, what happens? The more data we generate. And the better the, basically health sector can personalize our journey. Changing the journey from a reactive, almost sick care journey to, rather than a healthcare journey, we can call it a sick care because it intervenes after we get some symptoms, to a much more preventive and proactive, really healthcare journey that is based on the correlation of some symptoms that we might have and the anticipation and prevention, again, of the incidence of chronic disease. And to me, the same thing applies to sales. Why? Because we have to change our sales relation with the customer from one that is pretty transactional and reactive, right? When they ask for something, when they place an order, to a much more developmental and much more proactive and personalized journey, which is, again, based on data. And when we look at the market of IoT, sensors, digitalization of channels with the patient, it's a huge market, which is almost doubling its size over the next 5 years, getting to 2030 with a huge amount of interconnection of devices between the patient and the health sector. And this is extremely important because the same thing applies to us. Again, the more we digitize the relationship with our customer, the more data we collect, and the better we can personalize his or her experience.